Hey guys, and a breaking news, we finally have our first official advertisement teaser for the OnePlus 60 and we are just a few days away from the official announcement. So yeah, OnePlus has finally started teasing the OnePlus 60. Okay, so during the match between India versus Pakistan, OnePlus gave us our first official look to the OnePlus 60 and it doesn't reveal the actual design. However, the OnePlus 60 has more curved corners as compared to the standard OnePlus 6. And it's coming with dual rear cameras, so you won't be getting triple rear sensors. Basically the 60 is going to be a tiny bit improvement over the OnePlus 6 in terms of cameras, and that's totally fine cause the OnePlus 6 was having an amazing cameras, so there is no need for a huge upgrade in terms of cameras. OnePlus can definitely save the triple rear sensors for the future OnePlus 7. And another official confirmation came from Amazon India. They have already started teasing the OnePlus 60. And it says that just like every year, the newest and the greatest OnePlus phone is going to be Amazon exclusive. And the teaser also shows a few lines, and what I think is, it is for the in-display fingerprint sensor. It's not the first time we are seeing such teaser. So definitely the in-display fingerprint sensor is confirmed. So these are the official confirmation. Now here's our first render for the OnePlus 60 thanks to Roland, and he says that the 60 is coming with dual rear cameras and there is no rear fingerprint sensor. Okay, so that also means you are finally seeing an in-display fingerprint sensor. And here's a quick comparison between the OnePlus 60 versus the OnePlus 6 rear design. The 60 is a little bit taller than its predecessor, also has more rounded corners, the flash is more to the bottom and there is no fingerprint sensor. That's it guys, the OnePlus 60 is finally happening with water drop display, in-display fingerprint sensor, dual rear cameras and a better design than the OnePlus 6. And the specifications are going to be similar. You are going to see a Snapdragon 845 CPU, 6/8 GB of RAM and 64/128/256 GB of internal storage. A bigger battery that is most likely 3800 mAh and no headphone jack cause OnePlus is announcing their own USB-C headphones along with the OnePlus 60. However, you'll need to buy it separately, so that's worth noticing. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Do share your thoughts in the below comment section and peace out.